What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Cave Explorer back with another video. In today's video, I am gonna be trying. Well, even though I had the spices from Mackey's, but I'm just giving you guys my feedback on it. Um. So yeah, so let's dig right into this video and let's dig into the sushi because I love my sushi. Whenever I whenever I get a chance, I would I will buy sushi because I love sushi. But yeah, so this is a 9-pack. So yeah, let's go ahead and grab one. Cheers. Again, I had this before, and when I first had it, I said this: where's the spice? If they're gonna call it spices from Mackey's, make it spicy. It's not even spicy. But it's good. But it's good. I also have the naked smoothie, which I'll be trying after I'm done these sushis. Once again, you guys, cheers. Sushi can be wonderful. Mm. Cheers. Even though it's not spicy, but damn, is it good. Mm. Oh my god. Look at the size of this one. Mm. That was good. Now it's time for the Nictus smoothie. And this one is the Mighty Mango. Does it say? Yeah, 6. Make sure you guys always read what it says. Because if it says well, then it will. If I can get this fucking thing open. Okay. Sorry about my swearing, people. Okay. Piece of rice. I would get that out later. But yeah, so we got the Mighty Mango naked smoothie. Yeah, and cheers. Okay. Overall rating. Sushi. 10 out of 10 is my go out and get it now. The naked smoothie. 10 out of 10. Go out and get it now. Even though I had this one being 4. But yeah, anyways guys, if you guys did enjoy it, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to Block Magic. Subscribe to Nothing King Champion. And subscribe to Just B, aka Yigomoto. Make sure you go and check out his latest video about his trailer of his new content that's coming out. But yeah, peace out, folks.